memories, all the words that you said to me. But now this empty space fills me up and takes
Bellamy's not back yet. He's killing him.
and I can't escape it. It always keeps coming back. The sound of missing you, I hear it all around. The sound